Python Code Challenge. Find the error in the code and suggest a fix. You have 30 seconds to submit your code fix in the comments section below. Please submit your answer in the comments section. This code asks for your age and tries to multiply it by 2. But there's a problem. Instead of 50, we get 25. To fix this, we need to convert the input to an integer. Now, it works perfectly. Always remember to convert user input to the right type in Python. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.